Sketchnotes is a great opportunity for students to take notes or just show what they know about a topic. You don't have to make it this pretty or artsy, but the idea is that students can organize ideas, draw pictures to help you remember what they're learning, and it's a great way to review what you've learned. You can do Sketchnotes on paper, or you could do it on your iPad in apps like Sketches School or Keynote. This is an example of a student summarizing what their teacher taught them about the rules of the classroom. It's a great way for them to show that they understood the rules and a great way for them to review the rules if they ever forget. This is an example of a student showing their understanding of the hero's journey and the plot within that structure. One tip I use for sketchnoting is I type out whatever I want to write and then I actually write over it. This helps me because I do not have the best fancy handwriting, so this will help to make my handwriting a little bit prettier. Normally I would go at a slower pace too to make sure I'm actually following the letters exactly, but then I can click done, I can move it and delete off the text, I can recenter it, and then my handwriting looks a little nicer. You can also add in images, so for example if I want to add in this leaf, I can also draw over this to help me to create a better looking image than I probably would have created on my own. So again, normally I would probably take a little bit longer to trace and make sure I'm actually tracing exactly on the lines to make it look neater. But this is an easy way for kids to create drawings that they like and they feel more confident in, even if they're not an artist. Like me, I am not an artist by any means. And then I can also use the fill to just fill in the different areas of the leaf to make it look a little nicer. This is an example of a 6th grade student that we worked on this week. This was a story that we were reading about Hatshepsut in ancient Egypt, and so students stopped at the end of each page and drew through pictures that would help them remember what we had read about and what was important from the story.